Hello world, welcome to Yuki's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna introduce sea lettuce soup and pork egg rice ball. Let's start cooking. Make pork egg rice balls. I'm gonna use tulip luncheon meat and radish leaves. Finely chop the leaves. Basically, we don't eat radish leaves, but I like leaves, so I buy radish with leaves. Fry the radish leaves. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of mirin and cooking sake. Add a dash syrup stock. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. It's done! 完成! Danish tulip luncheon meat is popular in Okinawa. American spam is famous in mainland Japan. In Okinawa, luncheon meat is called pork. In mainland Japan, it's called spam. Cut into thin slices and fry crispy. This luncheon meat container can also be used for storage. Put the soup base in the egg. In Okinawa, add salt to the omelette. In mainland Japan, add sugar to the omelette. Fry an egg. Put rice and ingredients on top of the grilled seaweed. Add ketchup. Next, sprinkle Furikake seasoning on the rice. Put the cheese and luncheon meat. It's done! 完成! Add Add 100 ml of soup base and 800 ml of water. Put the ginger. Pour hot water over sea lettuce. Drain the water. Cut the tofu. Put sea lettuce and tofu in a cup. Sprinkle the soup and it's done. 完成. Let's eat. いただきます. How was today's video? I'm glad to if you enjoy it. This channel shows you real Japanese home cooking, and I would like to introduce Japanese sauce mix, seasoning, and frozen food. Furthermore, I will also introduce Japanese food culture and custom. If you enjoy this video, just hit like and subscribe. ごちそうさまでした。Thanks for watching. ありがとう。バイバイ。